Hey there members, it's Neve here. Today we're going to show you how to kickstart conversations to discover amazing products, services, expertise or opportunities. Log in and head to the Conversations tab. Choose your category, looking for or offering. Are you looking for new products, services or opportunities from other members, or are you offering some services and products of your own? When you've decided, click on the category and then New Discussion. Here's one I filled in earlier. You should craft a compelling title and describe what you're looking for or offering. Be as clear and concise as possible. Add relevant tags so that your post can be easily found via search. Post and your conversation is now live to all Kmend members. So what are you waiting for? Let's get those conversations rolling. Engage with fellow members, share ideas and make connections that matter. See you in Conversations.